Hey guys, this is the awesome blanket. I'm gonna show you snow things snowflakes up at that. I ever saw. They're actually getting kind of small right now, but they was huge. They was huge a while ago. It was like bigger than my wrist, bigger than that, and they're huge. Yeah, I think it's gonna be ice. See my well, you can't see my tree stand because the tree in front of me, but my tree stand's back here. Deer season just got over with up here. Um, it's gonna be a lot. This is uh, February something 2012. Oh well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, bye.